everybody, welcome back to the channel. You're watching a Ritter Will Do, and I am getting rained out. It's been raining all day long, and I can't think of a better way to test out an electric battery operated lawnmower. So let's see if it works. Now, as you may have seen, I've already mowed this cabin area a couple days ago, but now I thought, I'll mow the neighbors because they've got some pretty good grass over here and it's getting kind of long and they're not here right now. So I figure, why not? I'll mow the neighbor's place. Well, let's get her done. This is so nice and lightweight. Mowing up and down this hill is really easy with this lightweight mower. Now you may hear the mower rev up. And that's not me adjusting anything, that's automatic. The mower actually senses when it has a heavy load and it sends more power to the motor and helps it cut. Doing that, I would imagine, of course, would save on the battery life, but it's kind of a neat feature. And we're going over these pine cones without any problem. And there's no need for hearing protection because it's a quiet mower. It does not make a whole lot of sound. The neighbors that we have are not out here very often, but I figure they're probably going to be out here pretty soon, and why not mow their grass for them? Always a friendly neighborly thing to do. Now out here at the cabin, or I should say the neighbor's cabin, their grass is very similar to what the grass is like at our cabin. It's just very sparse. It's not very thick. And who cares, right? It's a cabin. You're not here to enjoy the lawn, you're here to enjoy the lake. So nobody really tries to get a big luscious green thick lawn going on. They just want a place to come and enjoy the lake. So that's exactly the type of lawn we have, which makes this mower perfect for this task. It's quiet. You don't want to disturb anybody. And the neighbors are kind of close to each other, so you want to keep it kind of quiet and respect each other's time and peace and quiet at the lake, I guess, is what I'm trying to say. This is pretty thick in here, and you might be able to hear the mower, I think, is at its top power rating right now. It's thick and it's wet. And this mower is doing pretty good. Pretty good so far. I want to be careful that I don't mow over any plants that they're trying to grow. There's a perennial right there that I know is going to have either a pretty purple or yellow or orange iris flower blooming eventually, so try to watch for those. That's the spot. I got a bunch of leaves right over here. We're gonna see if we can just kind of mulch them up. I don't think the mower deck is set low enough to really pick them up. It did pretty good, but it's wet too, so that's an issue. Here's some branches. Mulch them right up. Look at that. I don't know what we hit, but that made a good noise. Well, common sense logic would dictate that you should not wash off an electric battery powered mower with a hose, but I did. I bet it still works. Let's find out. Push, mow. No problem. There we go. Now let's go talk about the reasons that I think this mower is a perfect fit for this particular situation. Some of the reasons that I think this is a perfect mower for this particular situation is because we're at a cabin, we're on a lake. It's a nice quiet mower. I don't have to mess with gasoline or oil for that matter. Super easy. All I gotta do is charge a battery, which doesn't take long to charge either. In fact, we just used this for, I don't know, 25 minutes or so, and the battery still has half a charge, okay? So just like last time, still has half a charge. So it's pretty efficient. It does what I need to. I could probably mow for a good 45 minutes to an hour with this particular mower. Now, if I was on thick, heavy lawn type grass, I probably would not get an hour's worth of mowing. It would probably equate to, I'm gonna guess, a half an hour to maybe 45 minutes of mowing. But for this particular situation where I'm at, where the grass is just, you know, whatever grows, grows. We don't put seed on it. We don't put fertilizer on it or anything like that. It's just natural grass. So it is what it is. But this is a perfect type of situation for this particular mower. Now, they're not that cheap yet either. This mower, brand new, is about $400. I did not pay $400 for it. I paid $150 because I found it used on Facebook Marketplace. Some lady had moved in with her fiance or her boyfriend or something, so they combined two households into one. She no longer needed this mower. She said she only used it for one season, and from the condition of it, I believe her. It looks pretty new. Now, Snapper is not a brand that I really hardly ever use. For a long time, I have not used a Snapper lawnmower. Snapper was bought by Briggs & Stratton. So you probably saw early in the video, I showed a Briggs & Stratton battery. I find that kind of interesting. Briggs & Stratton is evolving. They can see the future, right? They're going to be in the game and they're going to compete with all of these electric lawnmowers that are coming out. So it makes a lot of sense for me. Let me know in the comments if it makes any sense for you. Do you have a situation where you could use an electric push mower, an electric weed whip, or weed eater, or whatever you want to call them? Let me know. Electric chainsaws, that's another one. All right, you guys, thanks for watching. Keep on tractoring, and God bless.